Water damage day 2. We have injector dries in the closet. Hooked up to the pancake fan. This is the bathroom where it initially started. We got a DHU killing this bathroom where the pipe started leaking. We got a fan blowing down this side of the carpet over here. We also have an injector dry taking care of these affected walls. DHU getting in this room. This side of the carpet was very saturated, but it was dry today. This is day 2. We have another injector dry. We have a fan going under the carpet, and we have an injector dry going above the carpet, attacking the walls where they were affected. This is the living room. We have an injector dry here, taking care of the walls. A dehumidifier. About 90% of this room was dry on day 2. We moved a fan over here to take care of this area. We got this carpet floating. This area was affected, some of these walls were, so we put another injector dry. Take care of this wall. Dehumidifier. Another fan blowing up the carpet. The rest of the injector dry is going behind the china cabinet. This is the hallway. Got a DHU in here. We have an injector dry in the wall system. And we have a fan blowing over here to keep the carpet lifted. This is the office. One fan blowing. Pretty much dry in here. Getting close at least. Didn't have to move that piano. We got lucky. And we got a DHU attack in that closet. No baseboards were removed in here. And this is the last little bit. We have a wood floor system taking care of this hardwood floor which was saturated. And we have a fan blowing down this hallway which was saturated. And it pretty much stops halfway down this hall. It also came into the garage and affected this wall over here, which we are injector drying from the opposite side. And we have the fan blowing on this side. And that is our water damage.